Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SushiSwap. Recently, SushiSwap broke out another falling wedge pattern. This was a wedge, by the way, that we broke out here in the month of September 2024. This was also a quite long-term wedge. And before that, we also broke out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And this is the second wedge that we have recently broken out. And after the breakout, we had a nice rally, but the price and got rejected by this long-term resistance of $2.75. It has been previously breaking as support here for a few weeks, and now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. And here, you can see that we have a quite long-term support zone. It has been previously breaking as a very strong resistance zone. And if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout, we also had a bounce from the support zone. It was working as a support zone for a few days, but now after the breakdown, again, it is flipped into a resistance zone. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. I would also like to show you a quite long-term trade signal for SushiSwap that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members on 23rd of June 2022. And that was a very big harmonic bullish reversal guard pattern that SushiSwap formed on a monthly time frame chart, and this move is still in play. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And by the way, if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is a trade setup with GRT, just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me take you to the long-term trade setup first for SushiSwap that I shared on 23rd of June 2022 with my members almost 2 years ago. And that is a very huge harmonic bullish reversal guard pattern that SushiSwap has formed on a monthly time frame chart. Therefore, this is a quite long-term trade signal. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line is still moving inside this potential reversal zone. Now, if you take a look at the technical target for the breakout from, not for the breakout, from this price reversal, the expected price reversal from this bullish guard pattern, that technical target or that sell target zone starts from $12.27 and goes to $19.56. Now, if we take a look at the live chart, this is the 7 days time frame chart. Then here you can see that after the breakout from this wedge, we have already hit the target for the breakout from this wedge that I've been telling you in my so many previous videos was here at the top of the wedge at $2. And you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target and also broke out this long-term resistance line as well. That starts from $1.60 and goes to $2. But now what we have again broke it down. And now after this breakdown, it is in fact working as a very strong resistance. And now we need to break it out in order to continue a massive rally that was begun here after the breakout from a previous falling wedge pattern. That breakout was, by the way, was happening here in the month of October 2023. Now, if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that long-term target is here at the top of this wedge. The Fibonacci-based targets that I was showing you was from $12.27 and goes to $19.56. And as for this breakout wedge, the target is here at the top of the wedge. There's somewhere between $23 to $25. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. You can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.